Welcome to Science Easy Tech channel, Nursing Made Easy. In this video, we are going to discuss about IV cannula or Venflon sizes, its flow rate and uses, and also some interesting mnemonics in order to remember the IV cannula colors. Before moving on to the topic, if you are new to Science Easy Tech channel, just take a moment to subscribe our channel and also to press the notification bell icon in order to get connected with our latest updates. Let's move on to the topic. Mnemonic to remember Venflon colors in order and their sizes. Oh great, wise God, please bless your progeny. Oh great, wise God, please bless your progeny. O stands for orange color, which is 14 gauge. G stands for grey color, which is 16 gauge. W stands for white color, 17 gauge. G stands for green color, which is 18 gauge. P stands for pink color, which is 20 gauge. B stands for blue color, which is 22 gauge. Y stands for yellow color, which is 24 gauge. P stands for purple or violet color, which is 26 gauge. See here, the gauge sizes starts from 14 and it ends in 26. So, in each color, it increases by 2, except here the odd one is white color, which increases by 1. So, the white color gauge size is 17, which is an odd number also. So, rest of the sizes are in even number. You have one more interesting mnemonic, that is image based mnemonic for IV or Venflon cannula colors with sizes. So you need to have a very good imagination power. So connect yourself with the environment around us. So under the soil you have lava or magnum, which is orange in color. So which stands for 14 gauge. So above the lava or magnum you have soil, which is grey in color, which stands for 16 gauge. So above the soil you have green grass. So the green color is 18 gauge. So above that you have a plant with a beautiful pink flower. So the pink stands for 20 gauge. So above that you have sky, which is blue in color, which stands for 22 gauge. In the sky you have sun, which is yellow in color, which stands for 24 gauge. So in the sky you also have rainbow. So the acronym for remembering the rainbow colors, that is 7 colors, is VIBGR. So here the first color V is for violet. So you can remember in that way. For rainbow, violet is the first color, which stands for 26 gauge. So and here the odd one is the white space, that is the white space, which stands for white color, that is 17 gauge. See how with your imagination you can easily remember IV Venflon cannula colors along with their sizes. Next we will see IV cannula or Venflon sizes with their flow rate. So here orange color, which is 14 gauge, the flow rate is 240 ml per minute. Grey, which is 16 gauge, the flow rate is 180 ml per minute. Green, which is 18 gauge, the flow rate is 90 ml per minute. Pink, which is 20 gauge, the flow rate is 60 ml per minute. Blue, which is 22 gauge, the flow rate is 36 ml per minute. Yellow, 24 gauge, the flow rate is 20 ml per minute, and violet 26 gauge, the flow rate is 13 ml per minute. See here, one thing you have to keep in mind. See, as the gauge sizes increases, the flow rate decreases. So as the gauge size increases, the flow rate decreases. So minimum gauge size, maximum flow rate. Maximum gauge size, minimum flow rate. This is the basic principle. Let's see one by one. So orange color, 14 gauge, the external diameter is 2.1 millimeter, length is 45 millimeter, flow rate approximately it is 240 ml per minute. It is used in trauma, major surgery, rapid fluid replacement, rapid blood transfusion. It is used for adults. Next color is grey, which is 16 gauge. The external diameter is 1.8 millimeter, length 45 millimeter, flow rate approximately it is 180 ml per minute. It is used in trauma, major surgery, rapid fluid replacement, rapid blood transfusion. It is also used in adults. Next is white color, which is 17 gauge. So which is odd one. Okay. The external diameter is 1.7 millimeter. The length is 45 millimeter. The flow rate approximately is 140 ml per minute. It is used in trauma, major surgery, rapid fluid replacement, rapid blood transfusion. It is also used in adults. Next is green color. The gauge size is 18 gauge. The external diameter is 1.3 millimeter. Length is 45 millimeter. Flow rate approximately it is 90 ml per minute. Uses it is used in trauma, major surgery, rapid fluid replacement, rapid blood transfusion. It is also used in adults. Next color is pink, which is 20 gauge. External diameter is 1.1 millimeter. Length is 32 millimeter. Flow rate approximately it is 60 ml per minute. It is used for IV infusion, medication administration. It is the commonly used in adults and also in adolescents. Moving on to blue color, the gauge size is 22 gauge. External diameter 0.9 millimeter. Length 25 millimeter. Flow rate approximately 36 ml per minute. Uses it is also used in children and older adults. It is used for routine blood transfusion, IV infusion with moderate flow rate. Next, moving on to yellow color, the gauge size is 24 gauge. The external diameter is 0.7 millimeter. Length is 19 millimeter. Flow rate 20 ml per minute. It is used in neonates, infants, toddlers and older adults. So this is used mostly for pediatric routine blood transfusion, for medications and IV infusion. Next is purple color. So purple color, the gauge size is 26 gauge. External diameter is 0.5 millimeter. Length 19 millimeter. Flow rate it is 13 ml per minute. Uses it is used in neonates, infants, but it is rarely used color for the neonates and infants. Mostly for neonates and infants you will be using yellow color. So this purple color is very rarely used for neonates and infants. So already I told the basic principles in IV cannula usage, that is minimum gauge, maximum flow rate, minimum gauge size, maximum diameter, maximum gauge, minimum flow rate, maximum gauge, minimum diameter. So the flow rate varies according to the cannula type and also different manufacturing company. See, that's why I have given in the flow rate I have mentioned approximately because different manufacturers will be producing the cannula with different flow rates. Sometimes the orange color it may vary from 240 to 300 or 310 ml. So it depends on the manufacturer. That's why under each heading the flow rate I have mentioned approximately, because the flow rate depends on the cannula type and also the manufacturing company. But gauge size, the color, the gauge size remains the same. There is no variation in the gauge. If it is orange color means it is 14 gauge. If it is purple color means it is 26 gauge. So there will not be any variation in the gauge sizes. So let's have a look into the parts of IV cannula or Venflon. Hope it's clear for you all. So if you like my video, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to Science Easy Tech channel. My previous videos link I have given in description box. If you have not watched it, please go and watch it and keep supporting Science Easy Tech channel. Thank you friends.